McQueen. He's a Simon. And today, we're gonna transport these 3 robots, actually names. And then this is McQueen and the helicopter. Like, you can read this. Police! And this is the Bumblebee, like on this box. This box look like a bumblebee. Also, this is yellow like a bumblebee. Okay, let's transport the first. Smallest. Okay, let's transport this to a robot. But is this okay? Egg. Oh, okay, we transport to an egg. Now, this looks like an egg, but this the cover of it. The egg. The egg! It's an egg! 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 You'll see the egg picture. You know what the egg looks like? You just show me it. Like, click to the like, subscribe button. Nope. Yeah. Okay, let's go! Next one! The other ones are finished. Goes here. Oh. Now, next one, you need to open this and open it. And here we have the helicopter robot. You actually see his eyes. My dad buy this from shop. I need to make this a helicopter. No more. Almost there, guys. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, that's why this. You should not make it harder. Just medium hard. Okay, we're almost there. Finishing it. This has a gun on his feet. But more, you can make this open, and this one you can also something here. I know. First, now you're done. You just make a Y. Make this like a straight line, straight line, straight line. Next, here. This one, the hardest one, you see this guy. Okay, let's go. So hard, I'm crying from my tears. Oh. Ow. I need to turn this. I need to turn this. I need to turn this. I'll teach you more when I'm done finishing this slow-mo. You'll see there's a movie like slow-mo. You'll see. Yeah, you'll see. You'll see. You'll see. Oh. This can just work. Just can stand up and more. Now you see there's Bumblebee. See this Bumblebee. Oh. Actually, you can just remove this and change it. You can change this to the gun. I'll get it later. Ouch! Now we have it. Okay, we're done. Now we have it. Now let's transport it back to a car again. Just keep talking. You did describe. What? Just keep talking with yourself? Okay, let's go. Oh. I get it now. What's that? I know. Oh, by the way, do you know where's my sister? It's on the kitchen screen. And I'm doing my project. We're done. Done. We're done. We're done here. Woohoo! We're done. Okay. What? What do you think? It's not even me to flip the body. What do you think? Huh? Okay, it's me to flip the body. Yeah. Now we can flip it. So like a dough. Like a banana dough. Okay, this. You see the eye? The eye of the tiger. You need to put this. You know why it's a little bit harder? You can only do this level. Level hardest. The level hardest harder. The level easy harder. Level easiest. Yeah, you just did it. You'll have a party. My birthday is so long. Okay, this is done. We transport it to the car. Oh. Really? Bumblebee. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye-bye.